how value you got from this training. So all these,
Mhm.
please explain that.
Sure, now. So, to be honest, I have like before joining this class, I had the zero knowledge. I never worked on NetApp. I heard, but I didn't work yet. And before like 2 months, I uh, got like another project where there was a NetApp, but I didn't have any knowledge, so I couldn't work on that. But after this knowledge, I can say I understand most of the configurations, and if there are any issues, I can at least troubleshoot it, understand it. If even I get in touch with an NetApp vendor, but I understand what they are saying, or I can put my perception in front of them. So this much confidence I got from this session, uh, and really like this syllabus is uh, very like constructive and very helpful, including the labs and all the points. What uh, what needs to be a good administrator in NetApp. Everything has been covered under this syllabus, and you explained it so well with the help of paint, and you explained multiple times until the person understand it completely. And definitely, it was like really a positive and a helpful session. I'm glad that I have joined and enrolled it and completed it. But yeah, it's now with me. I have to do the practice and study well. And talking about you, Kumar, you are very positive and inspiring. Understanding also, I have asked you multiple times the same question, and you still explain me well. Um, so yeah, you're very positive. So, like even there are any issues, I believe I can reach out to you regarding NetApp or regarding career path. You are very helpful. So yeah, it was a great decision for me to enroll this and uh, get in touch with you. So thank you so much for all your shared knowledge. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, Aishwarya, for this kind words. Yeah, thank you. I know that you try to be regular on that, right? And I be happy actually the candidates who are regular in the session. So I understand that everybody has some no obligations